Alright guys, today we enjoy some surfing at Sunset Beach in Halaiua, Hawaii, on the island of Oahu. Now I may have made a mistake in pronouncing that Hawaiian word, but you will not make a mistake by stopping at this beach along the north shore of Oahu. The north shore is famous for its beaches, its turtles, its whales, and also for its waves. Great surfing out here. Now I'm not a surfer, but I do appreciate it when someone goes through so much energy and patience to get a wave and get on top of their board and enjoy that ride. I do wish sometimes I could do that, but that's just not going to happen. So instead, let's enjoy some surfers waiting for their wave and catching it. Well, there you go. Enjoying the ocean, the sand, the scenery, and some surfing on the north shore of Oahu. That is some good stuff.